tea, sitting in the palace like a queen. Do you have a dollar? Do you have a dollar for me? Have you got a house on the hill and a bed for three? Or do you have a story? Do you have a story for me? Do you know the one where we all live happily? Dear, 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 dear. So now I'm here, sitting on the edge, throwing these stones to their long lost friends. I could have been a common thief, sitting in the dirt quite happily. Do you have a dollar? Do you have a dollar for me? Maybe just an hour or two in a pot of tea. Have you got a memory? Have you got a memory for me? Tell me about the days when you were 17. Dear, 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 dear. Do you have a dollar? Do you have a dollar for me? Have you got a little old house and a lemon tree? Do you have a reason? Do you have a reason for me? Can I be the girl that you met in the coin laundry? Can I be the girl that you met? Can I be the girl that you met? Can I be the girl that you met in the coin laundry? Oh, can I be the girl that you met? Can I be the girl that you met? Can I be the girl that you met in the coin laundry?